Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here so click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and search apps. You will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here, scroll down and search Google app. You will see. So Google app is here. So click on Google app. So scroll down and click on storage. So Google not working problem. So click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Google not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.